Welcome to this lesson on line segments. Today, we are going to explore finite portions of lines in geometry. This is a fundamental concept that builds the basis for understanding shapes and measurements. Before we dive into segments, let's quickly recall what a line is. In geometry, a line is straight and extends infinitely in both directions. It has no beginning and no end, which is why we draw arrows at both tips to show it goes on forever. Now, imagine taking a piece of that infinite line and cutting it at two specific points. That piece you get is called a line segment. Unlike a line, a segment does not go on forever. It has a clear starting point and a clear ending point. There are two main things to remember about a line segment. First, it has a definite length, meaning you can measure it with a ruler. Second, it is bounded. It is trapped between its two endpoints. In geometry, we have a special way to write names. To name a line segment, we use the capital letters of its endpoints, like A and B. Then, we draw a simple straight bar over the top. We read this as line segment AB. Let's compare the three main types. A line has 0 endpoints and goes forever. A ray has 1 endpoint and goes forever in one direction. A segment has 2 endpoints and stops at both sides. It is the only one we can fully measure. Because a segment is finite, we can use tools like a ruler to find its length. We simply align 0 with one endpoint and read the number at the other endpoint. For example, this segment is 10 centimeters long. Every line segment has a special point exactly in the middle, called the midpoint. This point divides the segment into two smaller segments that are exactly equal in length. You see line segments everywhere. A pencil is a line segment. The edge of a table is a line segment. Even the rungs on a ladder are line segments. Anything straight with two ends is a good example. To wrap up, remember that a line segment is a part of a line with two endpoints. It has a specific length that you can measure, and it is written with a bar over the letters. Thank you for learning with us today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.